Setting up the payment method is super important because you can't run ads until payments are set up. So you come in here, we're going to just go billing and requests. So it's simple, add accounts. So in here, you can see I have payment methods already set up. Under these add accounts, you can go to payment methods. If I want to go to payment activity, I can select that. I come into that specific account. So if I want to add another payment method, you'd come in here. I'd come in through here. I'd have credit. If I had credit to claim, if I'm going to put in a credit card, I put in the card details. I save that and then proceed to the next step and make sure that's set as the default. So you go into accounts, but this is also if you want to look at, spending money, your current balance, payment methods, payment activity, if you had any credit lines, invoices from the last weeks or months from this month, so you can do lifetime on it. And this account, I don't have much running on it. It's just to show you guys how to set up a Facebook ad account. But again, like I said, in here, you set this one up or set this one up, and then you can add a payment method. These ones already have payment methods. Like I said, add a payment method here with the big blue button. It's the same thing I just showed you. Hit PayPal or debit credit, hit next, enter the card information, hit save. You can also do it up here. You can add multiple cards, obviously, right? You can select and remove. You can make this the default. And that's how you manage the payment settings and set up a payment there in Facebook.
Do you need help with your Facebook ads or Google ads or any ads for that matter? Do you want to increase conversions? You want to get more customers? Do you want to sell more products? Well, we can help you. We have different services. We have a course you can purchase. We have an audit you can do. We will review your entire account. If it's Google, if it's PPC, if it's TikTok, if it's Facebook, we will audit everything. If you're not currently happy with the person you're working for, we will set up a whole new account. If you're not sure how to run ads and you need an account set up with the pixels, all those things on any of the platforms or all of the platforms, we will make sure everything's set up correctly, all the conversions are tracking properly, or we'll double check and make sure your current setup is working, or we'll consult you and teach you how to do it. All that stuff's down below. If you want our help, just pick one of the services that you want, fill out the form, enter your information, and we'll get started to improve your conversions, help you make more sales, and build your brand more effectively using Facebook, Google, TikTok, Snap, doesn't matter, whatever you choose, or all of the above. We will set it up, or even set up retargeting ads, so at least when people come to your website, they're getting a retargeting ad to push them to make a sale, a conversion, all that stuff. So if you need help with Facebook, Google, all that stuff from an advertising standpoint, again, services are below and we'll be happy to help you. Links are there and you can sign up. It's that simple.